Well, okay, we're sitting here in the driveway, just getting ready to go for a ride. We're on the WR250r today, and we're gonna go burn a few miles. I got a gas tank to change out, so I wanted to burn off some fuel before I change the tanks out. Why not go for a ride? So let's do it. I guess before you go out on your motorcycle ride, be sure to check out MC Rider and Moto Jitsu on YouTube for motorcycle defensive safety procedures. This time of year, it's good to brush up. Just go putt around Hayden a little bit, show you around. Take you on by and show you the new school that we're building here in the town of Hayden. This car get by. Breeze Basin Road. Here's our new, I guess, combined school. Still major construction going on. There she be. Well, we're coming up on Main Street here. Highway 40. We got a brand new come and go. Nice chuck hole to go with it here. And with this pandemic stuff, I don't imagine a whole lot of people get to enjoy it. Eating hot dogs and Slurpees or what have you. Kind of a back road here. Northern part of the huge city of Hayden. The granary over there that has a coffee shop, so forth. I can't say I've ever been there, but it's been there quite a while. And this is the main road that heading north will take you to California Park up in the Route National Forest. And here's the watering hole here, the Yampa Valley Brew Club, I guess, something like that. Along with the A1 liquor store, get your beer. Highway bar, and that co-op station is where I get my no ethanol fuel premium for the bikes. What I like about that place. We're cruising along probably 4th gear. About 25 mile an hour, city slicker speed here for the WR. Yeah, we're going to ride on out east here on Highway 40. We're heading out kind of toward 20-mile coal mine out on Road 27. We're going to do some different shots with the GoPro today on the WR250. Anyways, we're here on Sunday afternoon, March 29th, 2020. And kind of a gloomy day today. It's cold. Earlier today it was sunny out, and I kept thinking about riding a motorcycle. Things started getting cloudy, and maybe even snow at any time. But just the same, I wanted to get out and take a ride, just to get out of the house. I did some exercising this morning on the cross trainer, and when I'm out doing some relaxation, so I feel on the bike. Well, with this coronavirus wrap, I guess what I'd call it, here in the Route County area, we're at stay-at-home rules, or I guess I'd call it I'm grounded or got an ankle bracelet around my leg. I can get out and do exercising, you know, social distancing and all that. But I learned today that the spring turkey season in Nebraska has been suspended, so there'll be no turkey hunting coming into April. But nevertheless, it doesn't stop me from getting my motorcycle ready for this summer's ride, and I guess I'll get a few more vacation days if I'm not going turkey hunting. I'm certainly hoping we can ride the Trans-America Trail this summer. If not, we can certainly do a lot of camping with the motorcycle all around Colorado and Utah. And always lots of juniper trees and sagebrush and all that stuff to go out and ride and fire up the jet boil, do some cooking in the evening, and have some great night's sleep under the stars. Yes, this is the video GoPro clamp mount that we're taking out on the WR250 today. And as you can see, you know, we can clamp this to different positions on the bike, whether it be on the rear of the bike or on the hand guards or what have you. So I've made like 3 or 4 different videos using this, but I highly recommend this clamp mount, and I think it works better than like a tripod or something, because you can connect this to your motorcycle, make videos, selfies of yourself, or connect it to a tree branch and make distant videos with your GoPro. And it weighs next to nothing, so it's a lot lighter to carry than a tripod. So I wanted to show you this on the bike today. All right, I guess we'll be on the way. Okay, it's GoPro practice time. First, we're going to mount the camera on the handlebar, and do a selfie. Next, we'll go ahead and mount the GoPro to where we can see the rear of the bike going down the road. Well, for the last shot of the day with the GoPro, I'm going to go ahead and mount it behind the driver's seat and go on down the road. And just incidentally, when the GoPro is mounted on the bike like this, it makes me look like I'm riding on the center line, which I am not. I'm riding safely in the center of the lane, heading north back to Hayden on 27. Well, my social distancing exercises here are about done. And yeah, if we're going to go out and do some touring and riding this summer, we got to practice with the GoPro camera doing these different shots. And this is the first time I've ever done these different angles like this, so practice number one went pretty good, but the WR is just about out of gas. The reserve light is on, which is good because I want to swap out my fuel tanks here in the near future. I've got an IMS 3.1 I want to put on the bike, and I really want to burn this gas out of here today. So anyways, we're heading north back to Hayden. See you later.